Hi, this is Peace again, the Ugandan affiliate. So I'm here to talk to my fellow beginners in this whole world of affiliate marketing. The importance of having a plan when you're starting out. Like any person who wants to be successful, it's very important to lay out what you intend to do in all this. And that is where we come up with a simple, more or less, you would say steps, and we've identified 4 steps. However, allow me discuss one step in this particular video. So today I really want us to discuss the importance of having a product. Well, when you're choosing a product as a beginner, it is very important that you identify firstly the need in the community or the people you intend to serve with this product, and then find a product or service that suits the need. Yes, suits the need. There are so many options that can suit the need, but I want you to have a product that you truly believe in, and you are sure that you too can use it. That is, I'm talking to beginners, I'm not talking to very experienced kind of people. So for a beginner, you need this particular product that you're going to believe in, you're sure you can defend it, and you are sure kind of you've gone through it and you understand it. Once you choose that product, that should be your ideal product for promotion. That should be the ideal product that you're putting out to your audiences. So once you have this and you've gone through its training, you've kind of understood how it works, the beta, all the kind of background work that is needed, then you are suitable, or you're the best person who can promote this particular product. So that once you go out to push it out, I want you to be aware of whatever questions that may come your way from your would-be prospects and your would-be clients. At the end of the day, you should be able to answer their questions at whatever level. Like I said, we are talking about having a proper plan for a beginner. And we've said, like we've identified totally, that you really need to identify the kind of product that you need to promote, but a product that truly serves the need that is available in the community or your would-be kind of clients. And with that, I hope we don't stop here, because I'll be doing another video that kind of details more about the need of a mentor for a beginner and the need of having one kind of promotion platform that you can use. But I'll keep doing a bit of short videos for this, so that we don't prolong the whole talk. So for more, kindly check out on our page, click on that button, you can subscribe, you can follow us, and also click and go in to have our free training, totally free. You're not paying for it, you're doing a free training, and with that free training you will be able to start this whole thing of affiliate marketing. Thank you very much. I love you so much. I hope to see you again.